Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Yummy Bites by Sunita. Today I'll be showing you all one of the easiest mutton curry. There is no roasting, no grinding, straight over making it. And I'm sure whatever ingredients I'm going to show, you all have in the kitchen pantry. So let's begin. So friends, for making mutton masala, we're going to take 2 inch of cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 4 green cardamom, 3 black cardamom, big one, and 2 teaspoon of cumin seeds. We are also going to take 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. So I'll require 2 large onions sliced, vegetable oil and 2 tomatoes. I've taken 1 kilo 200 grams of mutton, washed it nicely and cut it in medium size. So guys, the first step is to blanch these tomatoes. What I'm going to do, this is the eye of the tomato, behind down this I'm going to do an X mark for both tomatoes. I've already kept water for boiling and I'm going to boil it for 30 seconds. So the tomatoes are blanched for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to remove it and I'm going to put ice cold water. Let's start with the second process. So tomatoes are getting little cooled. Then I'm going to peel the skin and I'm going to puree it. I've kept a pan for heating and I'm going to add oil. The pan is heated and I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. In this mutton curry you require this much oil because you're going to roast a la mutton. So oil is heated. Now I'm going to add bay leaf, cardamom, cinnamon stick, cardamom, green cardamom, black pepper and cumin seeds. Cumin seeds are nicely fried, roasted, and now I'm going to add the sliced onions and I'm going to fry it till it's brown. You have to fry it in slow gas till it turns brown. So this is tomatoes which I've peeled. I've removed all the skin and I'm going to puree it. The onions have turned translucent and now we are going to fry a little more. So now I'm going to add ginger paste, and garlic paste, going to mix it, and now I'm going to add little water so the garlic and ginger paste doesn't burn but it's nicely roasting. Now this is the time I'm going to add the mutton and I'm going to roast it very nicely for 5 minutes. Keep your flame little high. Keep mixing it and keep nicely bhuno it or roast it. So it's been 5 minutes, my mutton is nicely roasting and now I'm going to add salt. Mix well. Now what we are going to do is take a bowl, add little water, just a little water, and whatever dry spices we have taken it, turmeric, coriander powder and red chili powder. Mix it well. Just mix it and then we are going to add to our mutton. And now we are going to mix it. In this way the masalas won't burn and the beautiful aroma and the smell what we want in mutton curry, you'll get it. Now this is the time I'm going to add curd, and keep your flame high and cook it till oil separates. You can see the oil is starting to float. This is the time I'm going to add the tomato puree which I blanched and kept it. The reason I blanched it, because then we can save the time. Otherwise again we are going to roast the tomatoes in the mutton, which is going to take a lot of time. The mutton which I'm using it today is oozing out a lot of water, so I'm not going to add water. Okay, I don't require water. This water is enough for my mutton to cook. Now in case the mutton what you're using doesn't have that much of water coming or oozing out, please add 1 cup of water. Check the salt. Salt is perfect. Now I'm going to cover and cook it till it's done. So friends, here is our mutton curry ready. Now it's little thin, but as it's going to cool down, it's going to become very thick. Also I'd like to tell you that I didn't add any water because the mutton what I'm using it oozing out a lot of water. And just in case the mutton what you're using it becomes dry and it's not getting cooked, add 1 cup of hot water and cook it in very slow flame till it's done. So let's plate now. So friends, here is our mutton curry. Gravy is ready. So I hope you liked today's recipe. Please share with your friends and family. Subscribe my channel. Until then, see you by next time.